Yesterday, we tore out a small triple double hung window that was in this wall, and we installed that bay window. The customer's goal was to have a little bit of a bigger feel in their room and let some more light in, so we cut the wall another 2 feet back or so and added a much bigger window. In the other corner on the far side of the deck, there was just a corner, there was kind of a dead space with no light, so we cut a pretty small opening, added a window in there as well. Yeah, so when we went to cut the wall bigger, there was some pipes, there was some wires that had to be moved, and so that was interesting, which we were expecting. We had an electrician out here. He was able to move the wires and work around that, but that was something we ran into. When Previa sends us a bay window, they send us a roof that matches perfectly, that follows the profile of the window, goes right up against the house, and so all we had to do was match the shingles with the house roof. Like you can see, the outside is pretty much wrapped up. Inside, we have a bunch of trim work to do, which shouldn't be too bad. It's obviously a pretty big window, but Javon set it in yesterday. It wasn't nothing out of the ordinary. He loves it. He said it's turning out far better than he expected. So we love hearing that.